Okay, here's the car for all your original restoration guys. 1970 Chevelle, numbers matching. Gentleman that owns it drove this car from Salinas all the way to Livermore and told me a little bit of backstory on it. He picked up the car, give or take 17 to 20 years ago. He was telling me that the restoration was done 17 years ago. Frame off, got everything that wasn't original on the car. When he picked it up, he has transformed it back all the way down to the wheels and factory tires. This thing is clean. Check this thing out. Hope you guys like this one.